So I'm conducting an experiment, and I was wondering if you wanted to be involved.
Okay.
Alright. So to put it as simple as possible, this is our universe. We're just going to flip it upside down.
What are you wearing? Why is my hair blonde? Where am I? What is this place? Call box! Help! I've been taken somewhere else! How does this work? Where am I? Hello? Help! I don't know where I am. Someone! Help me! Open, please! I don't know where I am, what I'm doing here. I don't know how to get home. I don't know if there's any way out of this. I don't think I can go on anymore. This might have to be it. Might have to jump. All right. 1, 2.
Don't do it.
Where'd you get here from?
I'm here to explain the whole situation.
Now you want to show up and help me.
I wanted to give you time to figure it out and see what a new life would be like.
This is horrible here.
Alright, well, I'll bring you home if you really want to.
How?
This is the key.
What do I do with it?
All I have to do is switch it upside down, and it will bring you right back home.
What are you waiting for? Do it!